Okay, we're unboxing our Pivo. This is a Pivo. It is either a Kickstarter or a crowdsource or crowdfunder or whatever it is, campaign. So Pivo comes in a box, and this is the Pivo. See all the little stuff here. Okay, so I'm going to pause this. Okay, so these are all the little things that come with the Pivo. This is the base that rotates. So it sits on the platform and it rotates your phone. So we're going to put it all together and connect it to our phone and come back and show you what it does. Okay, there's nothing I like more than a silly new gadget. Check this out. Hands-free. Mom, look, no hands. It's following me. The Pivo is following me. No! What? So now you get to watch me work out. Ooh. So I can go way over here. Pivo. Or I can go way over here. Pivo. I can be live and just like walk around and talk. Hi, Pivo. Pivo. Now let's see what else it can do. Oh, see, now I'm using the remote. See, now let's see what. Okay, so. Oh, see, I'm using the remote. I can either make it move with the remote, or I can walk around. And if I see this little remote here, if I change the mode, I can take a picture. I think. Oh, I'm back to recording. Oh, so here is the light box that comes with the Pivo. See, it's got Pivo on it. It's not super sturdy, but you can put your Mio in your Pivo. Mio in my Pivo. Just put that in there to see what it looks like. And it comes with a green screen and a white screen. Wow, see, look at that. Crazy.